Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this luxurious travel folding umbrella for man, woman, and so on. But the big thing beyond that is it is an automatic open and close Crook real wooden J-handle coating layer fabric blocking portable umbrella for golf, for car, for a backpack, for rain, for sun. We have anti-UPF 50 UV. The protection is up to 99.9% available from the sun or against the sunlight. It is available on the market in black, in green, in light beige, navy blue, pink, and in white. In that video here, you can see it in green, as you can see. This is the latest developed fabric. The product is equipped with the latest developed colored sunscreen coating. The umbrella fabric they choose can withstand an hydrostatic pressure of 3,500 millimeter H2O. This allows for a correct dry experience and minimizing the hassle of storage after use. It effectively blocks over 99 UV parasol outdoor against the sun. It shields our from harmful rays during both sunny and overcast days. No matter the weather, we are prepared. We add it to our travel essential list, of course. And we have a classic British design. The experience the world's most exquisite luxury umbrellas by Erised Bifrost with modern fashion sense blended in traditional spirit of craftsmanship. With a wood J-handle design, this fits perfectly in our hand for grip, and it is easy to carry. We can hang on the wall hook easily when we get home. This design handle is handmade from genius wood, which adds further luxury feel and comfort in our palms of our hands. And we have a double rib design structure with the 10 times 2 times ribs, a total of 20 fiberglass umbrella bones. The main skeleton is made of aluminum alloy, which is not easy to corrode and rust. And it is lighter, of course. It's not so heavyweight. It has a strong wind-proof design and a waterproof ability and durability at the same time. It is recommended to place one at home, one at a company, one at a car, and in a backpack. Or you can get it with you because it's so handy. We have 45-inch large umbrella here. This large size can cover the range of 105 centimeter in diameter. Being able to accommodate 2 people at the same time. This is a perfect companion for outdoor activities, for camping, tourism, fishing, golf, hiking, commuting, school, work, and traveling, and so on. This size is almost the ultimate of folding umbrellas. It has a compact and portable design, but it also protects our friends and family in all aspects. And the big thing is the automatic open and close function. With only one hand, we should press of only one button, and the umbrella will be automatically open. And after it is done the job, you can push again on the button, and then it will close in a second. We do not have to struggle with the closing our umbrella when getting to a car, building, or tent. Now with this umbrella, no more waiting for our umbrella to open or close, while we get soaked by the rain. And it's so easy and fast to open and close our umbrella, easy peasy. If it closed, Then we have to use two hands to slide it together to restart the spring function of it. After this, we are able to get it back open automatically. It's easy, it's fast, and of course reliable, because here are good components built from different good stuff. It is a wooden handle. It comes with a good fabric. It looks really cool and green, as you can see. Or you choose another color as you like, and then you're ready to fight against the sun, fight against the rain, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.